Hello everybody, this is Volvo XC40, Volvo and T3 1.5 petrol engine. This is the PPF, which is petrol particulate filter on the floor. We put a new one on this and I just wanted to see you. Right, look at it. Yeah, this is just the dust of ash coming out. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd. Also Supreme DPF cleaning. This is who we are. RSC approved Moorhouse Garage. And also Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. You can reach me on 07 533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, noise catalytic converter, black or white smoke, high fuel consumption, power loss problems. We are the masters. Thanks for watching and please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational video. We are also Quantum Tuning ECU programming partners. Thank you.